Hi, my name's Michael. I'm from the Aberdare area. I phoned Care and Repair. My mother is 87. She was living on her own. She had a few problems around the house, a few jobs needed doing. And I heard about Care and Repair, so I rang them in to see if I could get any help. We had help to put a ramp in for my mum's electric mobility scooter. Um, she'd had a fall in the bathroom and cracked the bathroom sink. So we ended up having a new sink put in by you. Handrail out on the outside the house to the back door. So you helped us send the referral to Nest then for like my mum had a coal fire, which 87 is not a very good idea. Like we ended up having a new central heating system fitted in by a Nest scheme. It is amazing. Like, you know, those old people can't get stuff done, and you know, fair play. I don't think there isn't anything that I haven't been able to get help with. Like when the bathroom sink was changed, well, I looked into it then to get an high-rise toilet. So I'm still having help at the moment because about rails, you fit rails, you brought the thing in temporary because we had like a plastic extension before, but now I got the high-rise toilet, so you don't need the extension, but they're gonna fit rails to the wall to help her get herself off a toilet, like so. It's been really, really helpful. Really helpful, yeah.